shop and see what's up. Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a little video, another DIY, as I'm sure you guys have been wondering, what are you doing? Kevin, where are you? What have you been up to? Well, the RS3 today is getting some tinted headlights. I'm sure that's why you guys clicked the video. So what we're gonna do is go over these steps to kind of get things prepped, because that's the most important part when you're doing things like this. And we're learning from the pros today, because if you can see behind me, that is a professional grade cutter for vinyl. And I know everybody doesn't have the accessibility that we are lucky enough to. The process is still gonna be the same, because I know a lot of online kits sell vinyl pre-cuts, essentially. We are working on the RS3 today. This is a black car, and we're going light tint on the headlights. So I think it's gonna look really good. It's gonna have a nice contrast still. This car also is getting a full paint correction and ceramic coating today. So a lot happening on the RS3 inside the shop. We are at M22 Detailing. And if you guys are new and you wanna check out their stuff, I'll leave a link to the website in the description.
Surface here, using some cleaner, getting the whole area around the lights clean so there's no dust flying around. Second step after I clean, spraying with our slip solution here. This is just a mixture of baby soap and water. You're gonna find a little prep, and we're gonna soak all the surfaces around. This is Stack smoke film for the headlights. As we pull it up, I'm going to spray it with the slip solution.
And obviously not everybody's going to have access to a cutter like this, but
you'll be able to order cutout kits for any vehicle after like 2015 from our new website that's getting launched. So you'll just need to have a squeegee and spray bottles to make the solutions.
so we can tell this is the after, much different in contrast to the OEM stock, kind of no film, no tint.
Yeah, the S5 would look a little bit better if it actually had smoke lights instead of those freaking light bulbs you got instead.
Evan's trying to get me to get tint on my car. What do you guys think?
Yeah, take a poll. Maybe in the next video we'll tint the S5 headlights and taillights.
Perhaps.
If the subscribers want to see it.
I think it's ultimately up to me, is it not? So while Evan's cutting out the other side here, the other thing that's happening to this car, which we mentioned, was the full paint correction.
We are using a Groups yellow cutting and polishing pad with Groups blue, a little bit weight on there to get cut through it, and also polish doesn't bar the paint when we're correcting.
I like the RS3 in black, I do. It's a really unique car, smaller than the S5, I think. But we're finishing up the headlights right now, and then we're gonna get an after shot of that. Apologize for the noise. It is a shop. We're doing a lot of stuff today. So we're done.
Woo!
That's
we're just
nice,
doing
man.
Final touches here.
That looks good on the black, Evan.
We squeeged out most of the water. So last step to putting your film on is just going around, making sure the edges are down. So one thing we'll do here is we've got some fingers popping up along this bottom edge. So we'll probably just hit it with a towel a little bit, get any excess water out of there, and then we might even just let this sit for 10 or 15 minutes, let the film dry out a little bit, and then we'll be able to stick it down, and then we'll be done.
So the condition of the paint on the RS3, if you can see the reflection, is no bueno before the correction, but that's exactly why it's in here. In addition to, of course, the headlight tint, this car is getting a full refresh. This is, by the way, what the car looks like afterwards with the headlights on. And I must say, it looks really good on the black. They're trying to convince me to do it on my car. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe take a little poll on the Instagram or something. If you want to see me tint the headlights, head on over there, S5KFG. Whole hood is finished on the RS3, and that black paint looks so good, especially with that front end now. The headlights fully finished and tinted. It looks really good with the lights on, in my opinion. That's a clean front end. The black car and the light tints, I think it really wraps it together as far as the front end. So, holy cow, that looks hilarious. The 20s on the RS3, what do you guys think? Gold on black doesn't look too bad. I think it'd be a bit much for a small car like this. So again, this is gonna be the final product. Wrapped up all the way, nice and tucked as far as the light tinted smoked headlights. So I really do like the look, especially on the black car. It really ties everything together again. If you're looking to do this yourself, hope this video is informative and helpful in some way. If you have any questions, I'll leave the pros to answer them, but I see every comment I get. So go ahead and throw down any questions you guys have. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure we hit 10,000 subs here soon. Of course, for that algorithm, hit that sweet, sweet like button. Until next time, we'll see you.